Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this quadrilateral ABCD such that this angle ACD is 38 degrees, and now we are going to calculate this angle X. Moreover, these side lengths are equal in length. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Before we proceed any further, let me make it very clear that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here's our very first step. Let's focus on this triangle ABC, and we know this is an equilateral triangle. That means this angle is going to be 60 degrees. This angle is 60 degrees, and moreover, this angle is 60 degrees as well. So therefore this angle ACB turns out to be 60 degrees. If we add these two angles, this is going to give us 38 plus 60 is going to be 98 degrees. So therefore our angle BCD turns out to be 98 degrees. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this triangle BCD, and we know that this is an isosceles triangle since this side is equal to this side. So therefore this angle is going to be equal to this angle, and we know that this angle is 98 degrees. So therefore these angles have got to be 41 degrees, and this one is going to be 41 degrees each. And now we can see that this 41 degrees plus 98 degrees plus 41 degrees indeed adds up to 180 degrees. So therefore our angle BC turns out to be 41 degrees. And here's our final step. Let's focus on this triangle ACD, and we know that this triangle is an isosceles triangle since this side length equal to this side length. So therefore this angle has got to be equal to this angle, and we know that this angle is 38 degrees. So therefore these angles have got to be 71 degrees, and this one is 71 degrees as well. And sure, we can see that this 71 degrees plus this 38 degrees plus this 71 degrees adds up to 180 degrees. So therefore we can see that this angle ADC turns out to be 71 degrees, as you can see over here. Then we can also see that this ADC angle is the sum of these two angles, X plus 41 degrees. Now let's equate these two equations. We're going to write down X plus 41 degrees equal to 71 degrees. Now let's go ahead and subtract 41 degrees from both sides. This is gone. So our angle X turns out to be simply 30 degrees. Therefore our angle X turns out to be 30 degrees. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.